Here goes! He needs some legs!
Using a shotgun! Forward!
From the side!
Yeah, yeah! Side's open! Positions! Oh, God damn it! Big guns! Big pain, you... Everything's going to shit! Like this food! Keep up the heat!
He hit the ground, it's gonna explode!
Motherfucker! That's my leg, bitch!
Make for the wreck, and watch who you shoot. We got NUS agents there, not bogeys. He's exposed! Run!
Positions! Hold them, goddammit!
Fuck's sake.
Let go!
If I do, you'll calm down?
It depends who you are.
Relax. Songbird sent me.
And you are?
Name's V.
Apologies. I had to be sure it was really you.
Right. Let's delta before... Fucking hell.
Ugh, damn it! They just won't let up! About to begin. We need them gone! Every last one! You get the job done.
Look here!
They won't get me.
Get down!
You should think about joining up.
Listen to me, guys.
Where the hell did they get out of like that? Really?
Protect the wound now!
Cover me! Rapid fire! Keep them busy!
Songbird, you there?
V, how's the sitch?
We're alive. Both of us.
Now listen, head for the vacant building on...
Elizabeth Chris, got it. Give me some credit.
It's the best place to lay low. No heat signatures, so it's empty. Not a soul inside. Now get moving.